Hi students, today in our class we are going to study about stages of socialization. Let's start our class. H.M. Johnson in his treatise means in his words or in his grantha, what we say in Kannada, he explains the four stages of socialization. So which are those stages? Four stages of socialization means the first is oral stage. The oral stage begins at the birth of the child and continues till the completion of 1 year, where the child cries a lot for everything. The crying of the child is the only one language have to express his feelings or his needs. And also the child established oral dependency and also learns to signal his needs for care. In this stage, the child cannot differentiate the role of fathers from the mother. And during this stage, the child depends on his mother only for everything. His language is only cries. Is through crying, he explains his feelings and his needs. And the next stage is the anal stage. The second stage of socialization is anal stage. This begins after first year and completed during the third year of the child. During this stage, the child is asked to take care over some degree of care for himself. In this stage, the child know apart from receiving love and care, also start giving love in return through his actions or a little bit knowledge, little bit by talking. In this stage, the child become capable of discriminating between correct and incorrect performance in two ways. The first stage, which are those means, the first stage by training from the socializing agent. During this stage, the socializing agent is first is his family or his mother only. Through her reaction, the child understand the discrimination between correct and incorrect. The second is by being rewarded from correct actions and punished for incorrect or wrong activities. During this stage, the next stage is the third stage is Oedipal stage. The third stage of socialization is Oedipal stage. The third stage begins from the fourth year of the child and lasts up to maturity. That is the stage of 12 or 13 years. Means what we call in teenage starting. At this stage, he start taking himself as a member of the family, and the role of the child in the family, that is identification with his siblings. He understand the role of his role, and he himself start taking as a member of the family. In this stage, the child joins the group of his playmates, and starts sharing some feelings to throw by reactions like anger, and he expresses his emotions by crying. And the last stage of socialization is the adolescence. This stage begins at adolescence, means adult. During this stage, this is the important stage of socialization, because in this stage the child start growing up and with any feeling of what we say, he express his anger and his feelings through. In this stage, the young ones would like to free themselves from parents' control. There is a lot of physical and psychological differences the child saw in his. So he became a very sensitive and emotional sometime, and he can't judge himself. He decide herself or himself by what he doing is correct. So this in this stage, the guidance is very important for the child. So this is the last stage of socialization, which was very important for his future. So these are the four stages of socialization. Hope you understand. Thanks for listening.